So after generating some traction with our custom social media ad campaigns, having people willingly raise their hand to speak with you, we're not only going to leave you with a list of names, phone numbers, or emails wishing you good luck in your qualification and sales process. We will actually take this process off your plate with our second fundamental, the automated qualifying system. This is where our team will build you a custom landing page showcasing your authority and reputation as being the best financial professional in your area, making those hungry prospects qualify themselves to you in exchange for some sort of government grants they'd never know they had access to, some tax savings, some value ebooks, or some sort of insurance policies. This fundamental process will automatically weed out 60 to 70% of all the bad leads that you would have taken the time of the day to actually call if they didn't went through that qualification process, leaving you with only the pre-qualified, pre-framed, and pre-sold prospects. And this is how we can actually guarantee to bring you 30 sales calls within the first 30 days. So if you see the value in having our team implement those systems for you, I invite you to book in a free scaling strategy session with us.